Yeah, I guess we had a lot of rain last night. I guess water was going over the sidewalk. So, oh boy. Yep. It's about 3 days ago on Wednesday. Actually, 3 or 4 days ago. I was trapped at the O'Reilly store during that horrible storm that I had. It was crazy, really crazy. And I'll show you a couple clips of that storm. See that tornado coming? Get back.
That's big hail.
There's some standing water. Yeah, why not? Let's go to the creek. Let's check it out. Oh shit. As you can see, my hat's soaking wet, so I can just get footage of this. Wow. Just look how fast the creek is moving. Debris. Wow. Alright. Let's go back home. I think I've seen enough. A lot of rain though. I think we're pretty much done with it. The side of the road has been washed away. Debris on the road. There's that sign up there. Wow. Whole lot of rain has fell in the past couple days. Creek has gone down a lot. So that's gonna be about it for this vlog. This is the final part of the flooding vlog. So like, subscribe, favorite, and share my videos, and please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. So time to go home and edit these pictures, post them on Facebook and Twitter. And this video will be uploaded as soon as I get home. See ya!